video, we're going way back to 1983, I think it was. Big hit for Elton John. This is called I'm Still Standing. Great little song. Today we're going to cover all the chords, the strum pattern, and if you stick around to the end, we're going to go over the guitar solo as well, which is a cool guitar solo. I've got to tell you, you're going to really enjoy that. So if you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. And with all that said and done, if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so let's get started then. First off, capo on the first fret. Okay, so capo on the first fret. That puts us in the same key as the record, which is B flat. Okay, so then after that we've got the strum pattern. So let's take you through that. This record is just downstrokes. It's very 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to jazz it up slightly. We're going to go down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So it's got that down, up at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So like that. So that's the strum pattern we're going to use. And it's fairly, it's that speed, it's quick. So the intro is the same chords as the chorus, which is A minor, and then F, and then E, and then F, G. So let me take you through that quickly. So we've got the A minor chord, then bar chord of F. You can do a normal F, an open chord F, but the bar chord is better. F, and then E, and then F, G. So that's G on the 3rd fret. So I'm doing everything in relation to where the capo is. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, the 3rd fret. So one more time. Then we've got A minor, F, E, F, G. So the count is A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how that works. E, 2, 3, 4. So F, G, F, G is 3, 4. So in full speed, that would be A minor, F, E, 1, 2, F, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, F, G. Now you'll notice I came up on a upstroke for the F to the G. So we've got A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, F, G. F, G, and A major. Right, A major is the first chord of the verse, which we go to next, okay? So what you'll notice is it sounds like a bit of an uplift. We've changed from a minor sound up to a major sound. So we got, so first chord is A, then we're going to go to a D. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B minor. Now it's worth pointing out on this B minor that we're going to hold this for a bar and a half. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then the other half of this is going to be E, 3, 4. Then F sharp minor on the 2nd fret. And then holding down the A string and the D string on the 4th fret. Okay. And then we're going to go back to D, and then 2 bars of A. So, a little play through of that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, A, D, E, A, B minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, E, 2, E, yeah, the other half, and then F sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 3, 4, A, going to move on to the pre-chorus. Now, pre-chorus, something interesting happens with the pre-chorus. We've got an A minor for 2 bars. This is the bit that goes, I'm still standing better than I ever did. That bit. So A minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2 bars. And then what we do, we put our little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, the low E. That gives us a G. So this chord here is a G over A minor. So we've got A minor. So start with 2 bars of A minor. 1, still standing, then a G over A minor, and then D minor, and then F, G, or F, G, A minor, still standing, da 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 da, G over A minor, D minor, F, G. Then we're doing the chord structure we did for the intro, which was, as I can remind you, because this is the chorus, I said it was the same, and it is. So it's I'm still standing, A minor, F, then E, 4, 1, 2, F, G, minor, 2, 3, 4, F, then E. Next verse. So A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, A. B minor, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, E, in the E, and then the F sharp minor, and then to D, and then to A. Pre-chorus, we switch from A to A minor. I'm still standing. Then G over A minor, D minor, F, G, A minor, 2, 3, standing. Then G over A minor, D minor, F, G, I'm still standing, A minor, F, F, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, F, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, E. And then it's the time for the guitar solo. Right, so guitar solo time is... That's how the guitar solo goes. Let me show you how that's done. So I've taken the capo off. We're not playing chords anymore. So all the positions I give you are as is, as I say them. So first off, I want to be first 3rd fret on the D string. So we've got, that's the phrase we're after first. So it's 3rd fret, D string, down, up, down, and then down, up. So, and then the next time we strike down on that D string, it's a hammer-on that happens between the 3rd fret D and the 5th fret D. And then once we've done that, we drop our first finger down. So now we're 3rd fret G, and then we return to 5th fret D. So we've, altogether that is, okay. And then what we're going to do, we're going to bring our 2 fingers down. So now we're 3 in a row, 3, 4, 5 on the G string. And the reason we're going to do that is because we're going to bend up on the 5th fret of the G, and we need the other 2 as helpers. It's always best to bend up with as many fingers as you can. We've got that going on. A little vibrato on that first finger. So we want to strike that string, send it up, and then let it down. And then first finger on the 3rd of the G, 5th of the D, and then back to 3rd of the G again. So all together in slow motion, everything we've done up to this point. Next bit is pretty similar to what we've just done again. It's a hammer on between the 3rd and the 5th of the D. 3rd on the G, back to the 5th of the D. And then we've got that bend again. 1st finger on the 3rd of the G. The 5th of the D. And then twice this time on the 3rd of the G. So I'm going to play everything we've done up to this point. Okay, so that's where we are at the moment. Then what we're going to do, we're going to move up to 6th position, which is 1st finger on the 6th fret of the E, and on the 8th fret with our 2nd and 3rd fingers on the G and the B string respectively. Okay, so just like that. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to strike down on the G string. This is the bit that goes, so it's down, up, and we're playing all 3. I mean, that sounds good. And then we strike one more time before we slide up the same shape, but so that now we're in 8th position, where our 1st finger is in the 8th fret and the other 2 are in the 10th fret of the G and B strings. So we've got, do it one more time for you. Then the next place we want to be is 10 on the E, 11 on the B, 12 on the G. Yeah, same pick pattern. Then what we're going to do, we're going to slide up one more so that we are on the 11th fret, and we're going to hold down the B and the E string with our 1st finger, 12th fret on the G, 13th fret on the D. Again, but this time obviously because we've got the D string involved, we're going to strike down on the D. So we've got, then what we're going to do, we're going to do this, I love this bit. Right, so that is bending up, all the way up. That is a single note on the B. So we're going to go down, up, and then let it down. So that's its natural position. So the down, up was when it was bent up, and then the single note was when it was back down to its natural position. So we've got, which is 1st finger, 11th fret of the B. So then we're going to bend up again, and then we're going to have our little finger playing the 13th fret of the E string in natural position. Don't bend it up. So we're going, then we strike that B before we let it down, and then back to the 11th fret of the B, and then do a little slide back. That sounds cool. So we got, okay, and that's how you play the guitar solo for I'm Still Standing. And there we have it, I'm Still Standing by Elton John. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, as always, along with any of your requests that you may have for me to show you how to play in a future video. I've been getting a few in. I do read them, I promise. I'm slowly getting through them all. So I hope you're enjoying them as I'm making them for you. Every Friday, 5 o'clock. Yeah, 60s, 70s, 80s. I may throw in the odd 90s thing here and there, but yeah, 60s, 70s and 80s from me at 5 o'clock on a Friday. So I do hope to see you again in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, and I'll see you then.